0 degree longitude is known as Greenwich Meridian. It acquires its name from Greenwich, the place where Royal British Observatory is situated and through which this line is passes. Okay, that's why the 0 degree longitude or the prime meridian is known as Greenwich line. Greenwich line is also known as prime meridian because time is calculated worldwide on the base of this line. That's why Greenwich line is known as prime meridian. Then what is Greenwich Mean Time? The local time at prime meridian is known as Greenwich Mean Time or the local time at Greenwich. So Greenwich Mean Time means local time at Greenwich or local time at prime meridian. That is Greenwich Mean Time. So worldwide the time is calculated on the base of Greenwich Mean Time. Based on the Greenwich line, the world has been divided into 24 time zones with 1 hour difference. So there are 24 time zones. What is standard meridian? The meridian which passes through the middle of each country is known as standard meridian. The longitude which passes through the middle of the country is known as standard meridian. So the time is calculated in each country based on standard meridian. So we can say standard time is the time of standard meridian or the local time of standard meridian is known as standard time. Then what is Indian Standard Time? India is one of the largest country. So the longitudinal extent of India is from 68 degree east to 97 degree east. So it is very difficult to calculate the time of India based on this line. So this is almost from 68 to 97. There are 29 longitudes which passes through India. So we have taken 82 1/2 degree east longitude is considered as the standard meridian of India. So the local time along with this line is generally termed as standard time of India. So the Indian Standard Time is calculated based on Indian Standard Meridian, that is 82.5 degree. Let's see how to calculate time. The angular distance of Earth is 360 degree, which means to complete one entire rotation, Earth takes 24 hours, or to complete 360 degree rotation, Earth takes 24 hours, which means 1440 minutes. That is, the time required for completing one rotation is 1440 minutes. So, the time required for Earth to complete 1 degree rotation. How to calculate 1440 divided by 360? That is 4 minutes, which means Earth takes 4 minutes to complete 1 degree rotation. If so, within 1 hour, Earth complete 15 degree of rotation. Earth can rotate 15 degree in 1 hour. The difference between each time zone is 15 degree or 1 hour. Here we are going to calculate the standard time of India. Indian standard meridian is 82.5 degree, which can be written as 82.5. To complete 82.5 degree rotation, Earth take 4 into 82.5 degree, that is 330 minutes. 330 minutes can be converted into hours, which means 5 hours and 30 minutes. Clear? So the time difference between India and Greenwich Meridian is 5 hours and 30 minutes. As we know, the Earth rotates from west to east. Time advances towards east and recedes towards west, which means to the east of Greenwich Meridian, the time increases, and to the west of Greenwich Meridian, time decreases. Okay. There are two places called A and B. Place A is situated 15 degree west of Greenwich, and place B is situated 15 degree east of Greenwich, and the Greenwich mean time is 9 am. Let's find out the time of place A and B. Place B is situated eastern side of Greenwich Mean Time and its standard meridian is 15 degree east. So the time difference between Greenwich Mean Time and B is, how to calculate? 15 degree means 1 hour. So 1 hour will be added because when we are going to the eastern side, the time will be increased. The time difference is plus 1 hour. So the time will be 10 am. In the case of place A, which is situated in the western side, so the time will be deducted. Here the time difference is 1 hour. So in place A, the time is 8 am. Let's see one more example. Again, there are two places. Here the Greenwich time is 10:30 am. We have to find out the time of place A and B, which are situated 20 degree away from Greenwich meridian. So in place A, which is in western side, the difference is 20 degree. So the time difference is 20 into 4, which means for each degree 4-minute difference. For 20 degree, 80-minute difference. 80 minute, that is 1 hour and 20 minute. We know 60 minute is 1 hour. So 80 minute means 1 hour and 20 minute. As it is in western side, the time will be deducted. So we have to deduct 1 hour, or we have to subtract 1 hour and 20 minute from Greenwich Mean Time. So Greenwich Mean Time is 10:30. So the time of place A is 9:10 am. As well as in place B, which is situated 20 degree east side, as it is in eastern side, the time will be added. So we have to add 1 hour and 20 minute. So here the time will be 11:50 am. One more example. There are two places which are situated in east and western side of Greenwich. 74 degree west, that is New York, and 114 degree east, that is Canton. We have to find out what will be the time at Canton when it is 11 pm on Monday in New York. So here the time of New York has given. We have to find out the time of Canton. New York to Greenwich, there are 74 longitudes or 74 degree difference. So the time difference between Greenwich to New York is 74 into 4, that is 296 minutes. Then the difference between Greenwich and Canton is 114 degree. So the time difference is 114 into 4, that is 456 minutes. So the total difference is 752 minutes. The time difference from New York to Canton is 752 minutes. Now we are converting the minutes into hours. We know 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 752 minutes means 12 hours, which means 12 into 60, that is 720. Then remaining 32 minutes. So the time difference is 12 hours and 32 minutes. That is the time difference between New York and Canton. Now let's find out the time. New York, the time is 11 pm and it is Monday. 11 pm means it is night. Okay, so the time difference is 12 hours. See, here Canton is situated in the eastern side of New York. So to the east, time will be added. So we have to add 12 hours and 32 minutes with New York time. New York time is 11 pm. When we are adding 12 hours with 11 pm, the time will be 11 am Tuesday. Then we are adding 32 minutes. So the time will be 11:32 am Tuesday.